The Supreme Court could also decide this week to let President Biden end a Trump-era program called the Migrant Protection Protocols Program. It's also known as the Remain in Mexico policy, and it's kept thousands of migrants seeking asylum from the U.S. waiting in Mexico. Joining us now is immigration attorney Kate Lincoln-Goldfinch. Nice to see you. So what is the main issue here in the Remain in Mexico case?
So MPP is about asylum. For decades, we've had a mechanism where asylum seekers can come to the border, they can apply for protection and go through a screening interview, which if they pass, they get to come into the United States and await their asylum hearings. During the previous presidential administration, MPP, or Remain in Mexico, was put in place, and that is a policy that sends asylum seekers back to Mexico while they await their hearing. And it has created all sorts of problems in Mexico. And the question before the court is, does President Biden have the authority, the jurisdiction to cancel a previous presidential policy like MPP?
Right. And what does it mean for diplomatic relationships also between neighboring countries? Because it'll have an effect there as well.
Sure. I mean, and, the president has the right under the Constitution to engage in foreign affairs and treaties. That's a fundamental part of what the president does. And of course, if we're sending migrants back to Mexico, it creates problems in Mexico. I myself have visited the migrant tent camps that popped up after MPP. These are makeshift refugee camps that don't have the support of the UN, for example, or the Red Cross. And these are families of refugees living and depending upon the kindness of volunteers. And it has also created a situation of violence because the cartels have seized upon these vulnerable migrants, many of whom are not from Mexico, and they are regularly kidnapped and held for ransom and subjected to violence. So it has all sorts of fallout. And the truth is, whatever happens with MPP, we're still going to have, as you mentioned, the Title 42 policy in place. It is in a similar position in the federal court system. Biden has attempted to lift it, and the federal courts have enjoined that cancellation. So both Title 42 and MPP have the same impact, which is that migrants get kicked back to Mexico and they don't have a way to apply for asylum, which, as you said, increases the numbers of apprehensions because there's no way to apply. And it artificially inflates the numbers at the border, and it makes it look like the problem is actually much bigger than it is.
All right, Kate, thank you for joining us. Appreciate your time today.
Thanks for having me.
Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.